Hey Marvin, your phone's ringing.
I know, I can hear it. It's right next to me.
Okay, fine.
Hello?
Hello. This is Jackie Chu, Jeffy's teacher. I was calling to tell you that Jeffy gonna be getting her report card today, just in case he doesn't show you.
All right, thank you for warning me.
Who was that, Marvin?
It was Jeffy's teacher. Let me know he's getting his report card today.
Ooh.
Ah, Daddy, help me! I was putting on my shirt and it started eating. Me!
It was not eating you, Jeffy. Look, it was just stuck.
All right, thanks, Daddy, for saving me from the big bad shirt monster.
Well, look, Jeffy, your teacher just called me and let me know you're getting your report card today, so don't try to throw it away or anything. You have to show me.
Okay, Daddy. Well, there's not going to be any bad grades on it because I'm the smartest boy ever.
Well, look, if there's a single F on that report card, your life's over. You're grounded for a year.
Okay, Daddy, but there's not going to be any F's on it.
Well, look, get to school. Get your butt to school.
Oh, just my butt? All right, can you help me take it off?
Well, no, get your whole body. Just go to school.
All right, Daddy.
All right, class. Today, before we get started, I'm gonna hand out your report cards. Here you go, Penelope. Here's your report card.
All A's, yes!
Junior, here's your report card.
Only one F? That's a new record.
And Joseph, here's your report card.
Oh, dude, I finally did it! All F's. You know how hard it is to do that?
Wow, Joseph, that's very impressive.
Thank you.
And Cody, here's your report card.
All A's, I knew it. You know, sometimes I get tired of being so smart.
Maybe you should get all F's like me.
I'm good.
All right, Bori, here's your report card.
Whatever. I'm just gonna be a trash man like my dad anyway.
And Jeffy, here's your report card.
Oh no, all F's? My daddy's gonna kill me. Guys, I got all F's on my report card.
High five.
No, because my daddy told me he was gonna kill me if I got a single F.
Well, I don't have parents, so.
Well, Jeffy, why don't you just take Cody's report card home and say it's yours?
No, that's not gonna work because my report card has my name on it. And besides, I save all my report cards because I want to get into a good college someday. Oh, and my mom gives me zerbirds on my belly for every A I get.
What's a Zerbird?
It's where she blows on my tummy and I'm super ticklish.
God, I hate you, Cody.
But guys, for real, my daddy said he's gonna kill me if I get an F on my report card.
That's it, Jeffy. Why don't we fake your death? Why don't we call your dad and say you died at school today and he'll never see you ever again?
But no, Junior, that's a terrible idea. Doesn't that seem kind of extreme just to avoid getting punished?
Well, my daddy said he's gonna kill me anyway, so we might as well do it.
Okay, I've got my phone. All right, guys, it's ringing.
Aren't they just gonna look at the caller ID and see who it is?
I blocked my number, Cody. Shut up. Baby, can you answer the phone?
Sure, Marvin. Hello?
Hey, this is Officer Tells Bad News Johnson. I'm calling to inform you that your son Jeffy died today at school.
What?
I know, you seem very upset. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
What happened?
Well, Jeffy and another student were playing tag during recess, and Jeffy fell into a pile of ants. And then a plane crashed, only killing your son. The ants are fine, though. They're fire ants. They were normal ants until the fire from the plane explosion turned them into fire ants. But he's dead.
Oh my god, is it gonna be on the news?
No, it won't be on the news because the owner of the news, Sir Isaac Newston, was the one flying the plane, and he didn't have his pilot's license, so he crashed his plane, and that will make the news have a bad name. So we just don't want anyone to know about it.
Oh my god, my poor Jeffy!
Yeah, so he's dead, so you'll never see him again. I'm so sorry, bye. All right, guys, they totally believed it.
Sir Isaac Newston?
Who do you think invented the news? Cody.
I don't know.
Sounds believable to me.
Thanks, Joseph.
So my parents really think I'm dead?
Yep, they think you're dead, so you don't have to go home and show them your report card.
Sweet.
But wait, where is Jeffy gonna live? Because he can't go home.
Oh, you're right. Jeffy doesn't have a place to live. Hey, Cody, can he stay with you for a while?
What, me? I don't want him living with me.
But it's your fault that we had to do that whole phone call thing.
Well, how is this my fault? I told you it was a bad idea.
Because you wouldn't let us borrow your report card.
I would have rather you taken my report card than have him live with me.
Well, look, it's your fault, so now you have to let him live with you.
But why can't he live with Joseph?
Dude, I live in a cardboard box.
Okay, fine. He can stay with me for one night. Come on, Jeffy.
Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What? What? Say it without crying.
Jeffy died.
What? But why are you so calm?
You told me to calm down.
But how did Jeffy die? What'd they say?
It was a plane crash and fire.
What, a plane crash? Baby, a plane crash? Really? That sounds like a prank call. Let's call the real cops and see if it's true.
Hey there, somebody call the cops?
Yes, officer. We got a call from another officer saying our son died today.
Oh, well, who was the officer that called you?
Officer tells Bad News Johnson.
Really? Officer tells Bad News Johnson? No, that's just ridiculous. Officer tells Bad News Johnson retired 20 years ago. This is probably a prank call.
A prank call? Baby, what else did the call say?
Well, there was a plane crash and the guy flying it was Sir Isaac Newston.
Sir Isaac Newston? Now that name's just silly. Yeah, this is definitely a prank call.
Well, why would somebody want to fake our son's death?
Well, did your son have something big coming up that maybe he was trying to get out of?
Well, he was getting his report card today.
Yeah, I bet that's it. I bet he got a bad grade and he faked his death to get out of it.
Why would Jeffy do this?
Because he didn't want to get grounded. Thank you for helping us, officer.
Okay. Yeah, I just, guess I'll take off. Just leave. Honestly, I really don't want to.
Nah, baby, give me some Zerbers. I need some. I love Zerbers.
Ooh, Mom, one more.
Give me some more, baby. Give me some.
Come on, Mom, come on, do another one.
What the fuck is going on? Come on, baby. Yeah, I need some. Ooh, so ticklish.
Oh, I want to go back home.
All right, Marvin, your turn.
Oh, you're so done. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh, you did not just do that. You just lost. Check it out. Connect 4, I win.
I mean to put it right there.
You suck. I wish my wife sucked as much as